In front of me is Motorola RAZR 30, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. When you're ready, click on System, select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Following that, click on Theme section and scroll all the way down. Now you can click on Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available themes. Then just click on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And save your choice by tapping on Apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it instead, just go into the same settings, but this time click on this plus icon under My Themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and hit Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!